In class, we created a little application that we called CRUD, Create, Read, Update, and Delete. And except for create, we've done the other three, read, update, and delete. And so we have this little menu that I created, and the menu, if you remember, the index page gave us the ability to see all of the products that is in our current database. We then were able to edit. So we have these little get requests. So edit, and then that's going to put a get request up in my URL. I use the word action in all of my get and post requests, so I know what page to render or what action to complete. In this case, the edit brings up a form that fills in the appropriate form fields. Remember that we were going to hide this particular field because we don't want the user to be able to edit it, but I have it displayed just for this video, or for, I think we did it in class just to see what it was. Anyway, so then the user can make a change. So instead of guitars, I'll make that guitar. Price, I'll make it 500 instead of 200. And then when we click on the update, this is sending a post request. And so our URL gets converted back to the root, which is our index. Remember that we can display our SQL statement just to make sure for troubleshooting that it's working. For production, obviously, we'll make that go away. We check to see if our guitar got changed. Here we can see that it got changed to 5 instead of 2. Don't know about the word guitar because that wasn't actually showing. I can go back to edit here. Yes, it did in fact change, so that looks like it's good. Remember that we can delete, so I have a ridiculous car in here for no reason. Anyway, so it is a product, so that's legit. So remember that I can click on the word delete. Delete is a get request. Again, my action is dictating what's going to be happening. So in this case, we're deleting the item from the database. I sent over the ID in the get request, and you can see that that was in fact deleted. And then the last part of this was to add a product. And so I'm going to add that car back in, 567, and it is a VW, and it is priceless. And then we're going to add in, I guess that's not priceless, but that's okay. And then again, that was generated from a get request. So now when I click on the add button, that's going to generate an action with a post request that in fact wrote back in our car to our database. And all of our products are being displayed. So that's what we worked on in class. And so in the next video, I'll remind you how we created it in Visual Studio.